Hello guys, today is my Christmas, even though it's the 24th. Yesterday was my Christmas Eve. I just opened all my presents. I have this big makeup box and I'm going to be dressing in all preppy today. Come with me. Okay guys, so I just made toddler squishies. They have to sit for 3 to 5 hours. So here's what my outfit looks like while we're waiting for the toddler squishies to be done. Alright guys, so I just got dressed. This is what it looked like. It looks slay. Okay, so I think I'm gonna blow dry my hair, but I don't know. I still have to do this. We're gonna do the hand thing. Hold on. It's a paraffin wax dip. We're doing a paraffin wax dip on my hand. And then after that, we're gonna do my nails. Let me show you the nails I'm gonna use. So these are the nails I'm gonna do. So we had a little party yesterday and we had a bunch of family here and it was great. My little cousin, the little one, she took this and took it upstairs and I couldn't find it. I just found it. I'm so happy. I have to pick colors for this. This one would look great. Or that one, or that one. These two. I'm doing I'm fine. So the hairdryer didn't work, so there's gonna be a part 2. Thanks for watching part 1.